Welcome to Gilmour Collection. Hi guys, and welcome back to Induction Noise YouTube channel. You joined me today at work, and if you're a fan of the podcast, you would have probably seen this place before. This is Gilmour Collection. So since the weather outside is absolutely foul, I thought I would just give you a quick tour of the showroom and show you what it is we do here. So we start over here. This is my desk and my view of the stadium, and the beach is a little bit further down there. As you can see, weather awful. But what we do here is sell some pretty awesome cars. Over here we have Maserati Gran Turismo. Very fun car, really good value for money. These things, they don't cost a hell of a lot of money to buy, but they are fantastic to drive. Behind that we have the classic Porsche 928S, a car that actually surprised me quite a lot. I took it on a breakfast run a little while ago, and it was a hell of a lot of fun. I quite enjoyed driving that. On this side, we have a 1969 Jag E-Type. Now, if you've been on the channel a while, you would have seen that Nico and I actually did a review of this car, and I love these things. They are just such a cool nostalgic thing to drive around, and still has one of the best views over the bonnet of any car out there, because you're looking from the driver's seat over those louvers, over this bonnet, and if you peek just through the louvers, you can just see those SU carbs that make the most fantastic noise in the automotive world. Over here is something that is very special. Probably the lowest mileage Ferrari 430 Scuderia in the country. This thing is pristine, and unfortunately, because of the low mileage, I don't get to drive it. But it is awesome. We also have a 430 Spider in a really nice spec. This one is Grigio Silverstone with this beautiful cream leather, black piping, makes it look really classy. Yellow tack, very, very cool car. Lots of fun to drive as well. Then we have the Orange Monster. This is a 2013 Lamborghini Gallardo LP 560-4 in Arancio Borealis. Stunning looking thing. I haven't had the chance to drive this one very much yet, but it sounds incredible. And with 560 horse, it should shift pretty quickly as well. Then we have another 430 Spider in Rosso Corsa, more classic spec. This car's fully loaded though. It has all of the extras. You've got carbon ceramic brakes, you've got fender shields, you've got electric Daytona seats with two-tone leather straps in there. It's got the carbon fiber on the dash, it's got the yellow tack, it's got the Bose sound system, and if we go around to the back, it even has the Challenge grille, which is quite nice in carbon fiber. Very, very cool car. This thing is probably one of my favorite Ferraris to drive, because they're just like little go-karts. They're awesome fun. Then we have another Maserati. This one's a 2013. This one has the Cambio Corsa gearbox, so it's a little bit more involving to drive. It's a little more engaging. It's also got a really nice sports exhaust on it. It sounds incredible. And then for the true speed merchants, we have the 911 Turbo. This is a 991.1 2014 model convertible PDK, low mileage car. It's just way faster than anything has any business being. Over here at the front, we have quite possibly one of the prettiest cars in the showroom. This is a 2004 Alfa Romeo Spider with two-tone leather interior. It's like a dark metallic charcoal gray color. Stunning little car. Only 54,000 Ks on the clock. It's like a brand new car, this thing. It's gorgeous. It is so much fun to drive. And that 3-liter V6 Busso is still one of the best engines in the world. Then another one that's quite a big favorite of mine, the 599 GTB with HGTE handling pack. This car is insanely quick, so much fun to drive, and with the HGTE pack, it makes it quite special. This car also has quite a unique specification because it's got carbon fiber everything on the interior. It's one of the first and only ones I've ever seen that's got carbon door inserts. It's got a factory roll cage in the back. It's got factory 4-point harnesses. This is a serious piece of kit. And then the last one, tucked in between the two pillars here, is a 2014 911 991.1 series Carrera S, also with PDK, also a very nice specification. It's got this white exterior, but look at this interior. It's like this dark oxblood red color. It is beautiful. I love this car. This interior to me is just stunning. With the white exterior and the red stitching, just all ties it all together very nicely. So that is basically it, guys. I mean, this is a really nice collection of cars, as you can see. And if you're ever interested in one of these things, or you just want to come and say hi, pop into Gilmour Collection. I'm here most days. And come and check out some of these cars, because we have a lot of fun driving them. And we're also going to start doing cold start Saturdays soon, where we'll be starting the cars every Saturday morning just to make sure that they're still all charged up and ready to go. So if you're in the area on a Saturday morning, come check out Cold Start Saturdays. We'll fire up some cars, make some noise, scare the neighbors, and you get to hang out with us. Have a good one.